Little papa. It's a little papa. Ooh. That was pretty rad. Whoa, hello. Hey. Oh, he's frisky. Damn, he's frisky. Good job, baby. Thank you. Dang. On a little popper. Ain't that pretty? Shoo, shoo, shoo. That's great. Makes me happy. There we go. Wow, ambitious. Very ambitious. There we go. It's cute. Shoo shoo. Ooh, there we go. It's a bass. Pretty. It's a golden bass. It's like finding a golden magic carp. He's swell. The spotted bass without spots. Aww. Thank you, friend. Shoo shoo shoo. Gar. Oh, might have. Oh, damn it. I thought I had a gar.
Is that what that was?
Yep. Had him for a second, but yeah. Yeah, he came up quick before I saw his wake. And he was like, what the fuck? Another gar. Nope, he's coming back for it. There we go. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. If I can land him. Ah, I landed him. Ah, ooh, he's slippery. Ooh, yeah, bah, bah, bah. Oh, ow, damn it. There we go. All right. Now he's dirty enough I can actually hold on to him. Oh, that is a little spotted gar. Oh, oh, he's slippery. Easy, easy, easy. He's down. He's down. Yeah. Ain't he grand? Beautiful. His tail's all mauled up and been spawning. Or something got a hold of him. Shoo, shoo, shoo. And he's free. For the bottom jaw. 2 of them hooks went in there. How's my line look? This is a 6-pound braid, by the way. Yeah, it looks all right. Ooh. we go. All right, bassy bass. I like bassy bass. And, oh, shit. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. All right, there we go. Whew. Is a dirty bass of the day. Is a spotted bass. I'm sure he's very pretty when he's not covered in mud. Yeah, I like it. Shoo. Man, trying to swallow that.